I'm en route to teach my 1 o'clock drugs and behavior course, and this week's class is about harm reduction. One of the reasons I really wanted to teach at the college was because there's so much stigma around drug use, addiction, dependence, etc. And so when I teach, we go deep, really deep, about some of the motivations behind why people do what they do. Get curious today. If something triggers you, the exact opposite political opinion, the exact opposite personality, age group, whatever it is, lean in and ask yourself, what is this all about? Topic number 2 in today's class is about communication and how important it is to get to the point. So this is why I go into classrooms around the college and I write quotes in as short as possible and just leave them there. On the weekend, when we were in Troy, there was a church billboard and it said, do right. Do right. Not 500 words, not 2 pages, but just do right. If you were to have a 2-word slogan for ending stigma, what would it be? What would it be? Think about that today. And also how often less is more when it comes to engagement and communication. Leave an impression.